What's up, squad? Thank you for joining me in another video. As you can tell, this is a before and after front porch makeover, fall front porch makeover, episode 3. And I am happy to have you here with me. For those of you who are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Stacy, and I'm glad that you are here with me. If you like home decor, DIYs, and all that good jazz, then you're in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button and the button next to it, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So I will be popping in and out of this video explaining actually what I'm doing or where I got some of the home decor stuff from. So you will hear from me every now and again in this video. But again, thank you for joining me. Now let's get to this video. Right here, squad, I am blowing the spider webs, as you will, if you will. Blowing the spider webs and all the leaves and the rose petals off the porch, so that I can get the water hose and clean it off. What you see me doing here, cleaning everything off, preparing it for the things that I am going to put on the decor that I am going to put on the porch. So that is what I'm doing here, cleaning everything off.
The afterglow of this daily war, I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is roaring my heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until the day moves over.
My backyard. I have 2 of them. I purchased them from Big Lots. I'm sorry, Big Lots. I think they were like $10 a case. This was about 2 or 3 years This welcome to our home plaque I bought from Walmart. I believe it was like $5.88. So I'm just going to place it here on this table.
The afterglow of this daily war. I need so much more than just holy water.
This lantern I purchased at Marshall's. I think it's so cute. It was $16.99.
Since I almost caught her.
And it also have like an LED battery operated LED candle inside. So you turn it different levels of how bright you want it to shine. I thought that was really cute. So I'm going to place this also on the table next to the welcome to our home sign.
I'm hanging on, yes, I'm staying home. I need so much ground just to keep from floating. My love is roaring that heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her.
Okay, I also bought this pumpkin from Walmart. It also, I think that was like $5 or something. So I'm placing it under the table, but I'm not sure if I want to keep that under the table. But for now, I'm just putting it on the table. I also from Walmart purchased these mums. They're so pretty. I like the yellow. They were $5.88. So I'm going to place these on the table as well. But I think I'm just going to place them underneath the table and put the pumpkin on top of the table. So because the mums was going to block the welcome to our home sign. So that's why I chose to put it underneath the table and not on the top of the table. Okay, squad, this rose bush thingy here, when I'm sitting out here, I feel like they're just trying to attack me. So I'm trying to push the stem back behind the post so it could stay there. I was told that you should not prune the rose bush until it's in dormant. Because they're alive, so I'm thinking if I cut them now, I'm hurting them or killing them. But this is the Fall in Love pillow that I got from Walmart. That was $5. I thought this was also cute for the fall and the in love. That was just really cute. But back to this rose bush. Seriously, this bush be giving me the fever. I feel like it's attacking me when I'm sitting outside in the front. So I very rarely sit out in the front. I always sit in the back. But when the rose bush become dormant, I guess husbands could do this thing. What do they call it? Pruning, I guess. Yeah. And the pillow just kept sliding out of the chair. Now this is the same chair, these two. So I didn't understand why it wasn't sliding out that way. But okay, let's just set them this way instead. Maybe the pillow will stay up. But yeah.
So